So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I finally came with day 17. So sorry for gap for 1.5 days. Actually my voice was not so good and little bit pain in my throat. So I'm sorry for that. But I will continue this series. No need to worry. And whenever the test will start, then I will also provide the daily question basis related to coding question that TCS will be asking in 2026. Okay. So this is continuing our series. And first of all, before again moving to video, I will suggest go through our video related to input scenario, that how to take input. And if you haven't gone through previous days, must go through all this because we have covered almost more than 50 plus questions. And if you will practice those 50 stuff now, that is enough to crack the digital and all those things. Okay, but yeah, you have to practice all those things and you have to do hands-on and special things which I've already said, that must go through video related to how to take input. Okay, so this was just short reminder to you about the array input and about the string based input. So more than 5,000 students have already gone through this video. So if you want, you can go. Let me come. Okay, so what is the my first questions related to longest common prefix? Remember, this type of question I have already covered in previous days, but still I am covering this because there are some little bit advancement in these questions. And I will suggest first, after going to the problem statement, try to solve by yourself by writing code from scratch. Got it? So let me first tell you and discuss the questions. What is the question saying? So question is longest common prefix. So you are given a list of string str and your task is to find the longest common prefix among all the string in the list. If there are no common prefix, return -1. Okay. So I think you can recall the previous question which I have discussed. There was just single string and there I have discussed the concept of sub array. Okay. And you can say that sub array concept come in single string was there, but here there will be multiple string and you have to basically find the common prefix among all the string. And if it not exist, you have to just return the -1. So there is the input format, and again saying you have to know, or you have to go to the details that what they are actually asking, that input format kya hai bhai. So they are mentioning that first line contain an integer t denoting the number of test cases, and for each line first line contain integer n which will denote the number of string in your input, and second line will basically give the n space separated string. Okay, so let me first give you the example that what actually I'm telling you. Okay, so this will be your format. First line will contain the number of test cases. Suppose there is a 2 test cases, and from second line onward you have to basically take the number of strings. Suppose यहाँ पर 3 number of string लिया, तो I have to take in the next line 3 number of string. Again, since there are 2 test cases, so first test cases is sorted, this one, and second test case will be there. So 2 means number of test cases and 3 means that for first case, in test case number 1, how many string will be there. So suppose here there is 3 string, so you have to take the 3 string further. Again, since there were 2 test cases, so test case number 1 and test case number 2, again 3 string I'm taking. You can take 2 string also, not an issue. Okay, you can just put here 2 string, no one to worry. So that's the thing, and input scenario you have to basically keep in mind. Remember, to solve the NQT question, you have to analyze the input scenario very, very carefully. And what is the output format? So for each test cases, print the longest common prefix. If no common prefix exists, print -1. Now, I'll suggest comment there, think for a bit, and comment the logic which you have come with. If you are come with, then nice. If you don't come, no need to worry. Just follow our video, the thing which I'm explaining. So for example, here I'm taking the 2 test cases and taking the string in first case. So this will be our first test case, and here I am taking the 3 strings: flower, flow, and flight. Similarly, for second test cases, this will be our second test cases, and for here we are taking 3 strings: dog, race car, and car. And output will be FL and -1. Why? Because in here you can say FL, FL, FL. 3 strings are common. Okay, let me erase this, then it will be quite clear to you. So for this string, this is FL, this is FL, this is FL. So 3 common substrings are there. So that's why I am printing that particular or common substring. Now in this case, can you find any substring? No, because all the strings are different. So here I will print -1. So this was quite simple questions. Okay. Now explanation, you can go through it. I'll provide complete the code link and all those stuff in the description, so you can directly go through that. And by the meantime, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp or Telegram group, you can go join that. Okay. There I've shared you the job opportunity and pre-preparation material and all those things. ना ही बस कोडिंग का, बट एप्टी, रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश सभी का भाई आपको वहाँ फ्री में मिल जाएगा. So you can avail the benefit. Okay. Now let me come to the solution. So including the library using namespace standard, now taking the input, and this is the very important part. First thing, I'm taking the input as test cases. Now while t minus minus means जब तक आपका test cases ना complete हो जाएगा, you have to take the input continuously. So int n, which will denote the number of strings, and I will take the strings c in ARI. Got it? So now I will call the function longest common prefix, and I will pass the array here. Coming to the function longest common prefix, so this function will return what? It will return string, isn't it? Because you have to print the common string. Now you can just go through the output scenario. You have to return the common string or common substring. So here our substring will be FL. So that should be the string. Now so repeating, or you can say return type should be string. Now passing the input as array and just declaring the temporary variable prefix ARR0. Okay, means just I'm initializing the prefix variable. Now I will just traverse the array and I will try to find. So while ARRI dot find prefix not equal to 0, so this is the, you can say, logic to traverse to the whole array. Okay, I mean, and there I will basically try to find the prefix. Okay, so ARI means ARI will give you the particular string, and that string I will try to find in that array. Got it? So that's the thing I will do, and I will basically add or update the value of prefix. So prefix equal to prefix dot substring. You know, in C++ we use find method to get the particular string and substring method to get the substring, to access the substring. So here I will represent the index, and means starting index, and this will be end index. So I will, means we have to check to whole string now. If we are taking the string as flower, so I will traverse whole string now for first case, then whole string, then whole string, and I will check this one substring, and if prefix dot empty, अगर ये empty रहा, that will be, you can say, edge case. So I will return -1, means you are not getting any common substring which will be our second test case. So this was the simple scenario. Now before discussing the Java solution, let me just draw on this code. Okay, again saying friends, must go through the video carefully. Okay, and previous जो मैंने concept को discuss किया हूँ, just you have to go through it, because if you will not go to that logic, then थोड़ा सा आपको difficult होगा समझने के लिए. Okay, so same things I'm doing. Now let me run this code, and what the input I will giving you. So these are the input, two number of test cases, and these are the value which I've already just discussed. Let me give and check this, that whether I'm getting the substring or not. So given, now you are getting the, for first test case flower, flight, and this, you are getting the common substring as FL, and for second test cases which is dog, race, car, you will not get any substring or common substring. So I will return -1. So this is simple thing, means just you have to traverse the array, try to find those value and append that value in the prefix by using the substring function. I hope you got it. Let me discuss the Java solution. And coming to Java solution, import java.util.star for taking the input or using the scanner class. That's why I'm using the util.star function. Okay. Now this is the input scenario. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, t equal to st.nextInst, mean that we denote the number of test cases. Same things while t greater than 0, declaring the temporary array and input or taking the input in the array. Got it? And just I will call the longest common prefix function. So same things I'm doing, means if you got the logic, then you will be able to solve in any language, either C++, Java, Python, Kotlin, or any language. Okay. So for int I equal to 1, I less than arr.length I plus plus, while not arr I dot start with prefix. So in Java we will use the function starts with, that will basically check whether that particular string contain that particular prefix or not. So if it is containing, then I will update the prefix value with the substring and 0 to prefix dot length -1. Got it? So if prefix dot empty, then that will be our edge case, return -1. So this is a simple Java solution. Let me discuss the Python solution. So same things I'm doing, taking the input for int I in range. You know, in Python we will not use loop but range, and taking the input and splitting using the split function and calling the longest common prefix. So same things I'm doing, declaring the temporary variable and try to find those value. So here I will use the prefix colon -1. Okay, and if prefix equal to empty, means अगर empty रहा तो return -1. Got it? So this was simple solution. Now friends, before coming to second question, I will tell you again, go to 2 more videos. What are the video? I am not promoting my videos and all those things, but that is useful for you. go to the video related to string sort one based questions. I have covered this video in this particular playlist. So if you want, you can follow that playlist. Okay, that is again very, very important, and just follow this playlist. I will provide the link in the description. You can go through it. That is top coding questions. Okay, so here you can get the string based one shot questions. Yeah, this is the repeated string, and almost 1000 students have watched that, and number based question, both go through it. That will be enough to you. Let me come to second question without wasting our time. Okay, so what is the questions? And again, this is the challenge for you. Pause this video after going through the questions and try to solve. I am hoping that now you are in a good position to solve this question. So try to practice, pause this video, come with solution and paste the solution in the comment so that other student get idea, and you will also, means when you will revise this now, then you will get idea that yeah, मैंने भाई उस time अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन किया था. Got it? So what is the question? For coding test, a special number series is given. Series is formed by mixing two different sequences. Now this is the things. Those you have already gone through our video, I think you will be able to solve. What is the sequence? First odd position. If in sequence this that is odd position, then it will print the Fibonacci sequence, and if it is even position, then it will follow the prime number sequence in ascending order. Very, very careful. In ascending order, you have to print the prime number. So let me give the example. So this type of series it will be look like 1 2 1 3 2 5 3. Wow, because this will basically, this is what odd index. So this will basically print the Fibonacci part, isn't it? Sorry, yeah, Fibonacci sequence. Got it? So 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 2 5. So this will be your Fibonacci sequence 5. Got it? And same thing, so you have to basically print 5 3 8 8 5 13. So this is the Fibonacci series, and in next you will basically just print the prime number which come there. So let me do with other color. So 2 prime number, next prime number will be 3, next prime number will be 5, next will be 7, next will be 11, 13 and 17. So position 1 which will print Fibonacci, and position 2 which will be prime, again position 3 Fibonacci, and you can go through the complete PDF there. Okay, so friends, if my audio is breaking, so sorry for that. Actually I have little bit pain, and I've already said that's the reason that आपका video थोड़ा late आ रहा था. So if you are not getting the video, you can means imagine that what actually going on with me. Okay, so now coming to the input format, so single integer n and print the nth term of the series. So again saying pause the video, take the screenshot. For you I'm just now you have taken the screenshot, try to solve the question from the scratch. Open any online compiler and write the code. Okay. Now let me come to the solution. So approach, what I will use, nothing. Just I will traverse this and I will basically get the position detail. If position is odd, I will just print the Fibonacci number. If n is even, then print the prime number. Got it? So first of all, I will have to write the concept of both prime number and Fibonacci number. So I will not discuss in detail, okay, that how I can get prime number. Just I will discuss the thoroughly. So bool is prime. If number less than 2, I will return the false. Otherwise, I equal to 2. So I square less than n, I plus plus. If n mod I equal to 0 means if you are getting any factor, that will return false. Otherwise, it will return true. So I think प्राइम का तो आप लोगों को कोड पता होगा, एंड ऑलरेडी मैंने वीडियो में 2 बार डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ प्राइम का. ओके, तो सिंपली भाई मीन्स आपको चेक करना है कि उसका फैक्टर एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है कि नहीं. अगर फैक्टर एग्जिस्ट कर रहा तो प्राइम नंबर नहीं होगा, क्योंकि प्राइम नंबर का 2 ही फैक्टर होता है ना, 1 and itself. So if you are getting some other factor than that particular number and you can say 1, then that will, of course, it will not be prime. So I will return false. Otherwise I will return true. Got it? And similarly Fibonacci का भी आपको पता है that this is a base case that if n equal to 1 or n equal to 2 means if there are single number or two number, I will return 1, because Fibonacci series will be start from what? If I'm considering 0 1 to 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 3, if I will start from 1 1, so 1 1, so for 2 number it will be 1, returning 1, then 2 2 1 3 3 2 5. So this is a Fibonacci sequence. Got it? So same thing I'm doing, running the loop from I equal to through to I less than n, I plus plus, c equal to a plus b, and a equal to b and b equal to c. Means I will update the value of a and b, isn't it? This will first start will be a and this will be b. Now when you will move to this, means after adding this value, that is c equal to a plus b, so you will update the value. Now a will be, b will be shifted here and a will be shifted here. So a be equal to b and b equal to c. Got it? So this is simple concept of Fibonacci. Now let me take that how I'm taking the input C in n. If n mod 2 equal to 1 means if it is odd, then I will print the Fibonacci, else I will print the nth prime number. So that is the simple logic. Let me try run this code using the compiler. Okay, so same things I'm doing, just all the thing whatever I'm discussed, and now let me run this code. So let me take as 7. So it is giving the output is 3. Why? Because in question they clearly mentioned what you have to print. Just focus on the printing part, that what exactly you have to print. So print the nth term of the series. Got it? Suppose this is our, you can say after applying all the concept, this is our series. So what will be your solution? If n equal to, I am giving the 7. So what will the 7th value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th value will be 3. So it will print 3. If I am asking you 10th value, it will print 11. So that's the simple logic. Got it? So the same, sorry, why I don't know why Facebook is already opening. So you will get the value as 3. Got it? Let me check with the other things. 7, 9, let me check the 10. You will get the value as 11 because that particular means in that particular sequence, the 10th sequence will denote the 11. Got it? So that will be our 10th sequence 11. Now let me give you the Java and Python solutions. So remember friends, again saying must join Telegram or WhatsApp group. There I am sending these all PDF, and also आपको PDF by description में मिल जाएगा. Just check that G drive link. Same things is prime, uh, running the loop, checking the factor, and nth prime. That is the logic to find the nth prime. Okay, means count less than n, number equal to num plus plus. If you are getting the number, then I will count and I will return the number. So that will give you the nth prime. This is the Fibonacci sequence. So Python, same, you can go through it. Dear friends, I am knowingly not discussing this because I have already discussed the logic, and try to solve by yourself. So those who have further exam, best of luck, and those who haven't got that admit card or anything, if you have any query, you can ask here. I feel very happy to help you, and you can basically follow me on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and you can ask query from any platform. Hope informative to you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.